Hi, my name is Kirk Westaway. I'm the executive chef of JAAN by Kirk Westaway. JAAN for me is it's iconic. It's been here longer than I have. The food was a different style, and where I've taken it to is my own interpretation of what I believe British food could and should be seen as for the future. I've labelled it modern British, and it's really the food that I love to eat. Supply is a huge part of what we do day to day. The quality produce that they can bring and deliver to me in the restaurant here has got to be the best. I lean into suppliers that have a lot of consistency and a lot of passion and a great relationship. It's like a teamwork. The dish we're doing today is a wild turbot. It comes from Ireland, so we have this wild turbot that we're going to lightly poach in a broth made from the fish bones and some seasoning of parsley stalks and coriander stalks. We've also got some great Scottish scallops, so we'll prep the scallops, we'll roast them, we'll warm up a little bit of a barbecue. And then from the trimmings of the fish, we'll make a sauce with some of our garnish and shallots and a bit of leek with some fish sauce. Before we plate the dish, we have some green kale. We'll add some caviar to, chopped dill and chopped chives. Added a layer of burnt lemon puree to as well, a bit like a ketchup. When you eat the dish, the acid and the sweetness lifts up every part of the protein, and you can detect, the roasted scallop and the barbecue and the turbot and the sauce. It's a beautiful harmony between all the ingredients. What I love most about being a chef is the community. The people I have in the kitchen, the people that you meet, and the happiness that you bring to people. Just make this entire space into something very unique, very special, and a memory for everybody that comes and visits us here. Truly turning moments into memories.